guys, welcome back to the channel UV2022, and today we are going to talk about the Hoenn celebration event in Pokemon Go. So hope you enjoy the video. So let's start with this video. So I know I'm pretty late for this event, but as you all know that something is better than nothing. So it started from Tuesday January 19 and 10 am local time to Sunday January 24 at 8 pm local time. The Hoenn celebration event in Pokemon Go shall be going on. So, Pokemon Go has said, we're excited to announce that Hoenn will be the next region featured in a countdown celebration leading up to Pokemon Go to Kanto. Up next, Johto, an event celebrating the Johto region, will be happening from Tuesday, January 26 at to Sunday, January 31, 2021. And also stay tuned for some more details as we get closer to the date. So covering in this video, we will be taking a look at the features, the spawns, the raids, eggs, shiny, and also a look at the beautiful graphics. Now we'll take a look at the features. So these are some of the features that now I shall be covering, which are: enjoy event exclusive field research task that rewards Stardust and leads to encounters with Pokemon such as Trico, Torchic, Mudkip, Aeron, Plusle, Minun, and Wailmer. Next, complete the Hoenn themed collection challenge during the event by collecting Trico, Torchic, Mudkip, Nincada, Nosepass, Aeron, Plusle, Minun, and Bagon to receive 3 silver pineapple berries, XP, and an incense. Head on over to the Today view to track your progress. Next, evolve Metang, the evolved form of Beldum, during the event to get a Metagross that knows the previously Community Day exclusive attack Meteor Mash, which is the second best steel type attack after Doom Desire, which Jirachi has. Event exclusive timed research will be available. Complete the Hoenn themed timed research task to earn the following rewards: catch 2 Kyogre to earn 10 Kyogre candies, catch 2 Groudon to earn 10 Groudon candies, complete 30 Pokemon to catch 30 Pokemon to earn 30 Pokeballs. So, complete all the time research tasks to encounter a Rayquaza that knows the exclusive charged attack Hurricane as well as 3000 XP and a silver pineapple berry. If you are extremely lucky, you might encounter a shiny Rayquaza. So meaning they are offering a free Rayquaza for us. Last but not the least, a free bundle featuring 3 remote read passes to help you challenge Kyogre and Groudon will be available in the game shop from Tuesday, January 19, 2021 at 10 pm, 1 pm to Monday, January 25, 2021 at 1 pm PST. Now we'll be taking a look some of these spawns. So, Pokemon from the Hoenn region shall be appearing in the wild, and these include our favorite starters, which are Trico, Torchic, Mudkip, Taillow, Nincada, Loudred, the evolved form of Whismur, then Nosepass, Aeron, Meditite, Roselia, Carvanha, Numel, Baltoy, and Beldum. With Trico, Torchic, Mudkip, Taillow, Nincada, Aeron, Meditite, Roselia, Carvanha, Baltoy, and Beldum will be having their shinies, and Loudred, Nosepass, Numel will not be having their shiny forms yet. Now we'll be taking a look at what shall be hatching from the eggs. So, in 5 km eggs, Skitty, Aeron, Corphish, Lileep, Anorith, Bagon, Beldum will be hatching from the 5 km eggs, where Skitty, Aeron, then Lileep and Anorith, and last Bagon and Beldum shall be shiny available. Appearing in the raids. So starting from the 1-star raids, appearing in the 1-star raids shall be Trico, Torchic, Mudkip, Rolls, Aeron, and Bagon all having their shiny forms. Next we have appearing in the 3-star raids, which are Breloom, Mawile, Grumpig, Spinda, and Absol, where the Spinda pattern is not yet confirmed, and Mawile, Spinda, and Absol will be having their shiny forms. As we all know that Kyogre and Groudon are there in the 5-star raid, so this will be present during this time span of event. So Gaia and Groudon in the 5-star raids, and last, appearing in the Mega raids shall be Mega Venusaur, Mega Ampharos making its debut, and Mega Hondoom will be appearing in the Mega raids. And for the shiny form, the Aron family is featured for this event, and it has been said that the Aron family is already available in its shiny variant but will presumably be boosted. Next, this is a graphic of the event what I have just covered. So this is a beautiful graphic, and if you want from where you can get it, just go to the description of this video and you will find the link of this graphic. So that will be pretty much it for our coverage of the Hoenn celebration event. So if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button as well as on the bell icon so that you remain updated with all the latest videos I put. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.